During this time, Will asked questions while using the reflection of his glasses to apply pressure on Wool. He wanted to see if Wool would show any signs of emotional fluctuation. Unexpectedly, Wool answered all the questions straightforwardly. He knew exactly when the housekeeper went out each week. He also knew that the rich woman was very wealthy and had few friends. The only thing Wool kept insisting on was that he didn't kill her. After some probing, Will was 80% sure that Wool was telling the truth. Based on the information at hand, it seemed that nothing had been stolen from the rich woman's house after her death. Wool's objective was to get the rich woman to invest in his project. If he had killed her, that would have gone against his original plan. How could he expect to get an investment from a dead woman? But then, Will told him that his wife's testimony wouldn't be of much use. Wool had said that Christine loved him very much. In this case, her testimony would be biased and couldn't be considered an objective fact in court. As Will was thinking about how to break the deadlock, his assistant entered the room. Originally, Will thought the key point of defense was that Wool had no motive to kill, but to his surprise, the assistant pulled out a freshly published newspaper. The news reported that the rich woman had recently changed her will. She left all her savings, £80,000, to Wool. This revelation shocked everyone. Wool picked up the paper and looked at the report, clearly delighted. £80,000. He had gone from rags to riches in an instant, but Will's face darkened. Just when he had said there was no motive for murder, now there was one. A will only takes effect after the person's death. Now it made sense. Wool might have killed her to get the money faster, but Wool insisted he had no knowledge of the new will. Just as Wool was desperately defending himself, the police chief from the precinct walked in. Wool was now a suspect, and the police wanted to conduct a routine interrogation. As for whether he was guilty or not, that would be decided in court. Facing the police chief, Wool remained calm. He also knew that if Will, the best lawyer, couldn't handle this case, then he had little hope.